Hi guys, I already did my write-up on the stressful situation from yesterday. Where is it? So the spring I was telling you about is this one. It goes from here to here, makes several turns and ends up locked here. This is the slider which actuates the upwards and downwards motion of the roof. On this side there is less lubricant. I hope you will be able to see better. Here is the spring. It goes down this direction. Here is a tiny bit, and this is the perpendicular part which performs the locking action. So when this slider, which is connected to a whole assembly back up to here, when this slider gets unlocked, this one, by accident or by debris in this rail, it becomes free, so the up and down motion also is free, and it also goes in that direction, interferes with the other slider, which is for the forward motion, and jumps the sunroof. I guarantee it. This should be the cause for 99% of sunroof breakdowns. Something getting stuck between the slider and the rail behind it, and consequently unlocking this spring. When it's unlocked, it's 4 millimeters higher, this part, and here is the locking part of it.